Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Squarespace for portfolio. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC and log into Squarespace using your user credentials. After you log in, you will see the Squarespace dashboard. On the dashboard, click on Create Website button at the top right. Now you will see these website templates available for you to create portfolio. Now you'll have to choose portfolio to be specific. Now all the templates that will match this section, that is portfolio, will appear. So you can choose from any one of these websites to create your portfolio. I'm going to choose this one. So click on the template that you like and you will see this page where you can see how your portfolio website will look like on laptop, that is PC, or mobile phone by clicking at the top left button. Now, if you like this template, you can choose the sample color preset for this template. You can choose from any one of these. So do some experimentation, choose the color preset that you like and click on Start with Design button at the top of that color palette. Now, this will set things up on Squarespace. Now you'll be promoted to this page that will ask you what is the name of the site. So type in the name of the site, click on Continue. Now click on Continue again and click on Get Started. After that, you'll be automatically be able to see your website on Wix page. So it's looking good. Now click on the Edit button at the top left of the screen and you'll be able to edit your portfolio site. So simply click on the Edit section anywhere on the screen to edit that specific section. You can choose the design, background and color of that specific section if you want. Choose any one of these and click on background. Now you can add an image, video or art to your background for your website. You can also click on design and choose the design of your section. Now after editing this section anyhow you want, you can click on plus add elements and you'll be able to add button, social links, cart, account and language switch option on your website. If you don't want it, simply toggle those sections off and they'll be turned off. Now you can scroll down and navigate to the contact section. You can edit the footer by clicking on edit footer. Click on edit section and do the editing the same you edited the previous section. Now you can navigate to this page, click on edit page, edit section and edit this section anyhow you want. Now you can put your portfolios here in the select work section. So simply select any one of these images, click on the edit button and delete this image, click on add an image, select upload file. Now choose any image that you want to use as a portfolio and that image will be uploaded onto Wix where you can use them as your portfolios work. You can drag them. Now choose another image, click on edit button, click on delete. Now click on add image, choose upload file, choose another image and that image will be uploaded as your portfolio image. Now you can click on add block section, choose video. Now you'll be able to upload a video as your portfolio on this website. You can choose to delete these images by selecting them, clicking on delete. Now choose this video, place this anywhere you want, click on edit button, click on add a video. You can also select from library, that is your Squarespace library if you'll have any video there. If you don't have it, you can also click on add from link and add a YouTube or Vimeo link. So whenever someone is going to click on that link, they'll be promoted to that specific link. For example, I will navigate to click guide, copy any one of the video by copying its link, navigating back here, and I will paste that link. Now I'll click on add and as you can see, I successfully added this video as my portfolio on my website. You can also click on the edit section. You can also click on this align vertically button and choose to align your video anyhow you want. Now you can also increase the image size, the video size by dragging the corners. You can rearrange them anyhow you want. You can select this text, click on edit. You can choose the text size, the type. You can also link this text. You can choose their alignment. You can code them or do anything you want with them. Now after doing all these editings on your website, you can scroll down, navigate to the client list section and you can edit the text that says client list. Now you'll have to select these texts one by one, edit these client list and all the clients you'll have for your portfolio will be shown here. Now navigate to the footer and click on edits and select any one of these texts. Edit them and add your contact information in the footer. So simply replace these texts with your contact information so anyone visiting your portfolio will be able to contact you through these links. You can click on the bottom text that says Instagram, email and LinkedIn. Click on the edit button. Now select Instagram for example and you'll have to click on the edit button. Now remove this, go to your Instagram, copy your Instagram URL, that is your profile's link, and paste it right here. Now anyone who's going to click on this link will be automatically redirected to your Instagram page. You can also click on the email button, click on edit, select your email and edit your email, select your LinkedIn, click on edit, remove this link and paste your LinkedIn's URL, that is your profile's link, and you would have successfully added your info section on your portfolio. So your portfolio will need your info, your client list, your works, and some of the finest works you would have done. Now after doing all these, you can switch to mobile view to see how your portfolio website will look like on mobile phone, adjust your website accordingly, then navigate back to desktop view, do all the editings here and click on save button at the top left. After that, you can publish this portfolio site anyhow you want and showcase your work. So that's how you use Squarespace for portfolio. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.